In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log on to Webex. First, we will begin by launching Webex. You will see the Webex icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click that icon to open the application. This initial step is crucial because it is the gateway to accessing all the features Webex offers. As the program loads, you might notice a splash screen with the Webex logo, indicating that the application is starting up. Once it is fully launched, you will be presented with the login screen. Here, you will have the opportunity to enter your credentials and connect with colleagues or clients seamlessly. Next up, type your account email address into the box provided. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click on the Next button. This action is significant because it directs you to the next step of the login process. Following that, you will be prompted to input your account password. Take your time to enter this information accurately. It is essential to ensure your account remains secure. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen indicating that the system is processing your request. At this point, depending on your account settings, a code may be requested for added security. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a code via email or a text message. This step is vital as it adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Ensure that you check your email or messages for the code. Once you have received it, type the code into the designated box on the screen. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. This verification step is crucial to ensure that only authorized users can access your account. Once that is done, if everything is entered correctly, you will be logged into Webex. Congratulations, you can now access all the features of the application. The dashboard will load, and you will see options for meetings, messaging, and more. This is where all your collaboration will happen. Feel free to explore the interface. It is designed to enhance your communication and productivity. If you encounter any error messages during the process, don't panic. Double-check your email and password for any typos, as these are common issues that can prevent login. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password through the Forgot Password link. This ensures you regain access without too much hassle. In summary, we have gone through the process of launching Webex, entering your email and password, and verifying your identity with a code if required. Each of these steps is important to ensure you can successfully log in and utilize the platform effectively. By following these instructions carefully, you are now ready to make the most of your Webex experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial.